What's happening? I wanted to answer a challenge I set out. A good buddy of mine, Red Trux, from Australia. Show your pickups. I don't know, it's just particularly Chevys, square bodies. You know, got a bike in the back. Power wagon. Mazda. Tata. Oh yes! One of those, they're real cool, man. I got those, they're really awesome. Yeah, I love the 35 and the Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma came out really, that's just tough. Look at those mags, man, that's just tough. That's a tough truck. I love that, man. It's like a Ford Lincoln Ranger. You don't like Rangers, do you? Oh, you didn't own one, did you? You're a baby. Oh, yeah, I expect. There you go, brother. There's my. It covers the 89 Rangers, too. Oh, I'll try reading, I know, but, you know. There you go, bro. There's my sponsor, Red Trux. Show your pickups. Your huge lots and losses, eh? At least we